Have you ever wondered how you can get a stretchy bottom edge on your crochet? Well, I'm going to show you how. All you need to do is make foundation crochet stitches. So keep watching and I'll show you how to make these. Alright, here we are back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make foundation crochet stitches. We have foundation single crochet, foundation half double crochet, and the foundation double crochet. So these stitches are all made without doing a chain first, and it creates a really nice stretchy bottom edge. If you're working on something like a cowl in the round, and this creates a nice edge for the bottom, or if you want a nice edge on the bottom of a sweater or even a blanket. So grab some yarn and a hook. I have some worsted weight yarn from my stash. I believe these two are Bernat Super Value, and I know this one is a Paint Box Simply Aran. I thought these colors looked nice and springy. And then you need a hook. I have my 5mm Furls Odyssey. So let's start with the single crochet. All right, chain 2, 1 and 2, and then working in the second chain from your hook, insert your hook and pull up a loop. Now chain 1. This chain 1 is going to form the bottom. It'll be like the foundation chain you're building into the stitch. Alright, so we inserted a hook, pulled up a loop, chain 1. Now we're here. So yarn over and just pull through both loops like you're finishing, like you're making a single crochet. Alright, let's do the next one. So look on the underside and find that V. Insert your hook under the V, pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through both loops. So let's make another one. You're going to look at the underside and find the last V, just right here under my hook. Pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through both loops to make a single crochet. Find the V, insert your hook, pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over and pull through 2. So when you work this stitch, I know usually when you crochet, you're crocheting like horizontal, but this one you kind of have to work it vertically. Alright, let's do another one. So look at the underside, find the V. I feel like they get easier to see the more that you do. Just take some practice. You could put a stitch marker in your chain 1 to kind of help you see it if you wanted. Chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2. let's do another one. Insert your hook under the V, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when you go to start your next row, you just crochet as normally. So you would just chain 1, turn, and then single crochet or whatever stitch that you're doing. Whoop. If you're working on a pattern that needs to be joined after this, you would just, this is tiny to join, but you would just turn and join to the first single crochet and continue on like your pattern says. Stuck in my hands. Okay, let's do let's see, what's next? Half double crochet. If you watched my last video on extended crochet stitches, you might see some similarities in working these foundation stitches. There's just that extra little chain 1 in there. All right, so half double crochet, foundation, half double crochet, excuse me. Chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over because we're doing a half double crochet. Insert your hook into the second chain from your hook, pull up a loop, make a chain 1 for your foundation chain, and then you're going to do the half double crochet. So yarn over and then pull through 3 loops. Let's do another one. Yarn over, look on this side by your knot and find your chain, your V. It's kind of hard to see to start out with, but once you get going, you'll get used to it. Pull up a loop, chain 1, pull through 3 loops on your hook. Let's do another one. Yarn over, find that V on the left side of your foundation row, pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Let's start another one. Yarn over, find the V along that left side edge, pull up a loop, chain 1, and then finish your half double crochet. And then to start your next row, you would just start it like you would any other half double crochet row. I like to chain 1, can't grab hold of it, and then half double crochet in the same stitch as chain 1. Ta-da! All right, double crochet. I feel like the double crochet one is the most stretchy, but I think maybe that's just because double crochets in general are more stretchy. So grab your yarn, we need to chain 3 this time. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into the 3rd chain from your hook. Those skipped 2 chains do not count as a stitch, and pull up a loop. Chain 1, yarn over, make your double crochet. So pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. Let's do another one. So yarn over, find the V along the left edge, put your hook there and pull up a loop. Chain 1, make your double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do another one. Yarn over, find the V on the left side, pull up a loop, chain 1, make your double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do one more. Yarn over, insert your hook under the V on the left side, pull up a loop, chain 1, make your double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. To start your next row, you can start it however you would start a double crochet row. I like to chain 2, turn, and then make my first double crochet in that same stitch as chain 1. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified each time I release a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.